Welcome back to the channel, people. Alright, as you can see, it's a different video today. Do different videos. So outside today, we actually are go out by the Dwayne Park Plaza by Ready Stock. We're gonna react to Vybz Kartel brand new rum. So I have a new rum on here, Vybz Rum. We actually go react to it, people. The rest of the rain all come down, people. I say people, may I look for it. And as I look, I say Ready Stock. I say Ready Stock. Out of Dwayne Park there, so no man, I figure get it. People are just $3,000 feet. I swear to God, I couldn't believe it. People, may I go out there right. As you see me, I have my clothes ready. People are out there, may I go. Out there, may I go. Out here. See Plaza there. Out here, people. Ready Stock. I'm saying I react to the ramping. People, I don't know, about 5 chase I make a try. Alright, people, so see we back in the studio now. So see we there clean, fresh, everything good. I love to say, we have it. People will have it. We make sure I get it. So as I say, $3 grand out already start, people. If you live in Dwayne Park, them have it out there. Just go check them out. People, and this video is not sponsored. I want you to know that because I know nobody thinks it's a sponsor video. It don't sponsor me. You understand me? But yeah, I just see Vybz Kartel, the Str8 Vybz. And that me I deal with. You understand me? We just run out, get it, grab it, see how it actually react to it. I say I can see my real emotions, but I actually taste. So people will have Red Bull, Pepsi. You know we have to do it with the boom already because them love the boom. We have white cranberry. I know I like the regular cranberry, the bitter one. I don't know. I should have tried, but I feel like the white cranberry. Yeah. And most of all have thing. So we have everything. We have ice. Not nice. Everybody there. People, the ice are melt out. To show you how long we are try to set up. Alright, I took a big screen or so. Alright, see it? I get the ice. Not nice. All of the ice I melt, but I try it with ice first and then we try it without ice. I think we should try it with just raw first. The ice I melt, people. The ice I melt. Wait, I'm try it with the ice and then we try it without the ice. Ice I melt, people. I just fling everything in there, so. And I'm more, you see, I'm more than one, I have to try that. So, I can't even done the ice, dog. See that? See, I can't even done the ice. So, see there? I can't even done the ice. I've got to show a couple of the ice in this. Come on, I forgot to get some more ice. Alright, people, so, see it here? I'm going to hear it crack for the first time. Woo! Listen. Whoa. Yo. Dog. Yo. Chano, dog, this smell good, bro. Yo, this smell good, dog. It smell premium. It not smell like something where you smell already. You know when you drink rum or one of them, you know, it not smell like it have a premium smell, people, like a brandy. You know brandy like a brand. You know brandy already. Brandy smell. Oh my god. Alright, people. Whew. The smell good. Alright. Vita. Make sure put enough, you know. Oh nah, itchy, you know. So make sure everything good. Alright, people, here's something for try first. I'm gonna try the white cranberry. Cranberry? Yeah. Oh, cranberry are the best. I feel like the cranberry are gonna be the best, and I eat me first. Try first. Ready? Alright. Hold on. Hold on. People are ramping shop. The me I forget if I tell them the flavor. People are wanting a ramping shop. I feel girl them Jesus have mercy. People this premium. People, John no star. For $3,000 dog. Brother, no dog. This this tastes way better than white rum. Me not even ask you dog. Me people know me used to drink. So I like someone who know how liquor tastes. Brother, me that all night. It all look all night. Me that run this. Me no know. It have a smooth inner harsh. It nah. You know like when you put enough rum in a cup and you put boom pan in the rum lick ya. You know have that. Can you see how much me put and then the cranberry see me even full the cup. If you look pan it at that cup, I mean even now trying them cup here. You understand me? It the people Somebody else get people bad. No, me have to move on. See there? I have to move on. So this is the cranberry. That's the cranberry. More ice. No sir. That cranberry nice people. The cranberry nice. We don't have no more ice. No more ice. So we have to just try. Alright, Red Bull next. Red Bull next. People, Jano. See there? You don't think this enough? Come on, I feel like me I put enough in it. I talk like more. I want to them man. This is all popping, ramping, shopping, girl them to Rastafari. This premium people, man, I like to you, premium. With a big old P. Big girl them. Red Bull. You not had enough chaser. So this is a Red Bull and the enhanced rum, ramping shop. Str8 Vybz. Bumbuckle. Yo. No. People. Cartel. Hit. Me have to try the rest of flavor them. No. I have to get the three. You have Unstoppable, Fever, Ramping Shop, and one next one. Electric. Oh, just imagine electric. Oh my God. I forgot try Fever, Unstoppable, Electric. Yo, this a Ramping Shop. People, if you live in a Duane Park, ready stock of them out of Plaza. Go check it. $3,000. We got a party. How much? I mean, I think I say how much rum a party all I know. Vybz, if you're here, I'll see that video, yeah, brother. Give thanks. Because a long time Jamaica want a good rum. And we attack Jamaican rum. You understand what I talk about no import no. You understand what we bring from overseas and no. Jamaican rum. This me like this people. If I got party, no, next this. You better try have it, you know. Hey, the next party where me going, you bet me I got bex with the bartender, you know. You should have it, you know. So if you not keep party, make sure, see there? Have every one of them. Ramping Shop, Fever, Electric, Unstoppable. Every one of them enough have. Oh, now say man, this I don't know if this are the more premium one. But goddamn, Vybz, this Vybz Kartel, this bad, brother. Nah, like. Woo! All a big spliff. With a big spliff. Oh my God, people. Yo. Alright, people, I've got to move on. So this it's a Red Bull and the enhanced rum. No, people, it's bad. So we don't have no more ice. So we can try it raw now. No ice. Raw. As in, I feel like make a shot all just eat alone, dog. When we done. Alright, so now you want to say Pepsi? Yeah, Pepsi. Alright. Pepsi. Make the girl them sexy. Alright. So me like throw it over all my keyboard. Jesus have mercy. Yeah, man. Jesus. People couldn't believe it. $3,000. Just buy one of this. Couple of them, yeah. Them chaser, yeah. Go up on YouTube and play the video and you're good. You just get vibes, brother. I don't know. See me, yeah? It's our. Alright. Pepsi. Alright. Let's see how the Pepsi look. RTS. Alright. Oh! Str8 Vybz Rum. Yo. People gonna get drunk. Alright, watcha. Peter, ready? Wow. Yeah, little time there it and then the way it tastes. Yeah, people, I don't know if me easy to get drunk. But I'm not telling some been get drink. So, but the rum, Jano, with the Pepsi, it's alright. I'm saying it's a more premium thing, so more premium chaser. You understand me? If you want to drink it with Pepsi, it's alright. I'm not gonna lie to you. Basically, yeah, it's alright. It just tastes like Pepsi and rum. So, you understand me? If you know about Pepsi and rum, it's basically the same thing. We're gonna try the boom and the enhanced rum because I feel like the boom, yeah, I don't know if they're gonna taste similar. It probably tastes similar like the Red Bull, but you know Red Bull and boom are two different type of and even one more premium than one. I'm not tell you which one or which, but one more premium than one. Alright. So people, my camera for video the whole thing where it there, so it dead. So I don't know if you not see it, so it dead. So yeah. So alright. So also we gotta do boom. Alright, come. Peter. So I go no ice. See the video I'll start over there. Jesus. The video I'll start over. Alright, boom. Real vibes. Yeah! What I mean, the boom sick, the boom. The boom. No people, I don't want to say the boom tastes better than the Red Bull. Lord have mercy, the boom. Voila. People, the boom. Hold on, I'm gonna add more rum. I'm gonna add more rum. Come I feel like, hold on. All over my keyboard, me I throw rum. Add a little bit more rum. Let me see what I go on now. People, the boom. Oh no! Hold on. Yeah! Like, ah! Nah, people, the boom taste. Me have to try about the Red Bull. Hold on. Me can't just try about the Red Bull. Me I wonder if I chew the ice, the Red Bull. And this just the raw, this now ice in it, make it people not have to beat it with ice without ice. Sorry. Beat it without ice. Leave not nice. No ice. Yeah. No, the boom. The boom, people. The boom. Wow. The boom. Alright, so we have what we have left? The thing. Alright, the thing. So you can see how the thing tastes. Again. No answer what me I show? Just start up a little bit fine. Damn him. Adam say people stick around can make a try it raw. Make a try it raw, people. The ramping shop for the girl. The ramping shop for the girl. Jesus Christ, people, I'm a voice I can find. Yo, no, people. Alright, so thing. So I go on now. So I go on with ting. And people, when I kill it with chaser, I just rum and little chaser. So we want to taste the rum. You understand when I have little bit of this, little bit of rum, and this, see, look how I put the chaser. Yes, so the rum did the people, and look how I put the chaser. Nah go around nothing. People, drink responsibly. Me I go put that in my first part of the video. People, drink responsibly. Lord have mercy, for telling you that. But people, this is the thing. And the ramping shop. So what is it? Wow. Add a little bit more thing called rum. The rum bad, yo. The rum bad, brother. The premium. But not lie, I one of the most premium. And it's one of the most premium me I drink. But I one of the most premium liquor for $3,000. For $3,000 Jamaican dollar, it not taste like a 3,000. I try to explain to you people. It don't taste like a $3,000 I spend on a liquor. Yeah. Me don't know how much feet in a party. But I just tell you, it don't taste like a 1 It tastes like a 15 grand I pay for the buckle. I'm not lie people. That's how premium it tastes. I feel like around 15-20 grand I pay for the whatever in this. What the liquor, what in it, the liquid. Yeah. I not lie to you people. And no me not go those. You understand me? Nobody not pay me for do this. You get me? I say this is off of my reaction of how me feel about this rum here. I'm not look no sponsor, I'm not look no hype from nobody. You understand me? But just because it been in my brain to say, yo, I want because it new. So I say I want for the best thing for just react to how it tastes. You understand me? I say people don't know start. The thing. We are try about the Red Bull. And we are try back a fresh with just Red Bull and the rum. Hold on. Thing good. Yeah, man. Thing good. Make a taste by the Red Bull. I'm after taste by the Red Bull. Before I'm telling them where me think are the best chaser for mix with this thing. For mix with the ramping shop. Yeah. What the best chaser for mix with this ramping shop thing. Yeah. Hold on. More rum. Song. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Me have to add more rum. Hold on, no, people, no. Me have to add more rum. Add more rum. Mmm. More rum, more rum. Hold on, more rum. More rum, hold on, hold on. Oh, fuck. People, I don't know if I the Red Bull or the boom. No, one of them take it. No, hold on. Hold on. Jesus have mercy. Father God, please. And where Vybz Kartel come with this thing? Because number one, it premium and it cheap. You understand me? I say enough time you get some things, it cheap and then you taste it like it tastes like you say, alright. Like, if I see it again, probably I buy it. Or probably, and then you check it out if it tastes good with such. And then it go not taste good with nothing. It go just because rum normally kill taste in a dog. So if you understand me? So if you put it with anything, more while rum does you don't even taste what the chaser. The chaser does the defy, where I call it? What the word? You don't know what the word. There's a word for you, chance. My brain at the room, come out the room, I lick my chip. Type the word in the comment section. You see? Yeah, I type the word because I know me attack. If you know me attack, type the word in the comment section. Because the rum gone to my brain already to Rastafari. So, you understand me? The chaser just, it normally kill the chaser. This it don't kill the chaser, people. I taste the chaser with the rum. And you can taste you drink rum. So it's not like you taste you say, I just Pepsi you taste or I just Boom or I just Red Bull. Like cause some apple vodka and them Smirnoff there, man. You know taste not, you just taste sweet. You understand me? And you just taste Pepsi and it's sweet. Or just taste whatever, Boom, it's sweet. This you taste the rum and you taste the chaser. This premium liquor, because normally people go school for mixology. I never go around it. I just tell you straight. I went to school for a mixology. So I know about liquor, I know about spirits. I'm not gonna say if you just take my word, but I just tell you, so I know what I talk about. I've been through a lot, I work a bar already. As in, you understand me? So I go through a whole heap of liquor. I'm going to taste them because you have to taste them for know how the taste, recommend them. You understand me? So that's why I'm saying I have to try. People, I go try the Fever, Unstoppable, and the Electric. So subscribe if you want to say that. You understand what I say? Subscribe. So there, people slag all over. I did not cut the video. But I just drink what I feel like right now. Oh, I'm going to cut it raw. Alright. Raw. Jesus. I want to say out of the cock. Out of the cock. Out of the cock. Real Jamaican style, me again. Take a cup. Watch out. Out I cock, me I shot it. Out I cock. Watch out. Oh! Woo! Alright, watch out. People, Anna pause the video, pause. Anna pause it, pause. And me freeze. Anna pause the video, pause. And me, watch out. Anna pause it, pause. And me freeze. Oh my God, man. Woo. Oh. Mm. Cartel. Where you get the rum and who make it rum? Who Jesus told that way? Who make it rum? Hey, this I get people in trouble, you know. This I got Jesus. People I got just drink this like nothing. People in oh my god, it don't even harsh. It not as harsh. I'm not gonna say it harsh, but it's not as harsh as white rum. I'm gonna say how much alcohol in this. Alright, so people, this are 40% alcohol. Wow. 40% alcohol. Wow. Is it overproof? I'm not sure if it's overproof. Wow. I don't think it's overproof. It's just regular white rum. Just regular rum. People. No. Africa take it in. In Africa, no. And I really take my judgment. Why not run go buy one? I tell you, if you live in a Duane Park, just run, go get it out already stock. Me nah stop tell you how much feet. Me nah promote no. Me just want to get a feeling of the. You understand me? A taste of all the thing, baby. Me nah go around here. Me nah go around here, be. Me I tell you straight. This rum here, it a go create a wave. It a go create a wave. Me nah lie. It bad. Just imagine the fever, the electric, the unstoppable. Bro. But alright, so as I say, I just there, that's how I go on all the vibes. So the Red Bull. Along the party. Stop it. Deaf. Str8 Vybz in a this. Yo, John, I don't know where Carter get the rum from to Rastafari. People, we have to check out even Vybz Kartel TikTok for know where rum come from. Can't tell we, you know. But me nah, you understand me? But nah, girl. Right now, I enjoy the rum, brother. I can't bother to go look for where the rum come from and all of that. I just want to drink some rum, dog. But that's why I drink some rum. Can't bother that. John. Somebody else get. Yo! Panic happy. People almost done. Oi! Hey! Yo, big up yourself. If while you watch a video, yeah, Jesus have mercy, I will laugh for Str8 Vybz. Yo, big up yourself for that, dog. Cause yo, sometimes John no star. People, this is it. People, Str8 Vybz. I can't emphasize a how the rum pod. Una have to go taste in yourself. What me say? Una have to go taste in yourself. No, people, me I tell you, me no know. No, no. Looking at me, looking at me, looking at me, looking at me. Real thing me attack. Straight vibes. Just imagine this is a big spliff. Oh God, if you smoke, pick up yourself if you not smoke. But if you smoke, oh God. This is it, people. No, me have to go out. Me want all the vibes continue, but me can't. Me have to cut the video. Me have to cut the video. People don't know. Jesus, this done. This done. And I'm me alone. Me alone. Me not give nobody none. Watch out. Me not give nobody none. So if you want, go buy. Me not give nobody none. People, me out. My first already said. People, my friends already, my God, drink, my God. Remember, Str8 Vybz out already stopped. How much feet? Out of Dwelly Park Plaza, 3 grand. Can't get it better than that, people. Unless you get it from Kartel himself for free. People, my God. Run go by the Str8 Vybz. My God.